If you love space as much as I do and you're really itching to get a closer look at the stars and planets, then maybe it's time to consider getting your very own telescope. There are several key factors to consider when choosing the best telescope to purchase. These include the telescope's aperture, its magnification capabilities, the type of mount it uses, and of course the cost. You also need to consider the different types of telescopes available. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these factors to help you make an informed decision. The main specification you want to consider when choosing a telescope is its aperture, the diameter of its main mirror or lens. So why is aperture so crucial? Well, it's all about the light. A larger aperture gathers more light, allowing you to see fainter objects and finer details. Imagine it as a big net, catching the light from distant stars and galaxies. The bigger the net, the more light you can catch and the clearer your view of the cosmos. But what about magnification? Isn't that important too? Absolutely. However, magnification is not the be-all and end-all. It's tied directly to the aperture. A larger aperture can support higher magnification, but overdoing it can lead to fuzzy images. The trick is to balance the two. A telescope with a larger aperture and reasonable magnification will provide the best views. So don't be dazzled by high magnification claims alone. Remember, a larger aperture and a reasonable magnification are key to a clearer and more detailed view of the cosmos. Now, let's talk about the mount. The stability of your telescope greatly depends on the mount. A solid mount is essential to keep your telescope steady and to smoothly track objects as they move across the night sky. There are two main types of mounts, altazimuth and equatorial. Altazimuth mounts move in a simple up-down, left-right motion, while equatorial mounts are aligned with the Earth's rotation. Now onto types of telescopes. First, we have refractor telescopes, which use lenses to gather light. These are great for viewing planets and the moon. Next, reflector telescopes use mirrors instead of lenses, making them ideal for viewing deep sky objects like galaxies and nebulae. Finally, compound telescopes combine the best of both worlds, using both lenses and mirrors. They're versatile and great for all kinds of celestial viewing. Choosing the right mount and type of telescope can greatly enhance your stargazing experience. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have to talk about cost. Telescopes can range from the price of a dinner out to a small car. But remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best for you. It's about finding the right balance between aperture, magnification, mount, and type of telescope, all within your budget. Just like the universe, there's a vast spectrum of choices out there. Also, I've left the link to the 2024 best telescopes you can purchase on Amazon right in the caption. Thanks for watching.